And there will be one widget, quick link icon. Manage user access page. You can select that. So before that, yeah. Okay. So select one identity and select those groups. Yes, let me. I'll take the anti-King Girl V. King Girl V. It's not there. King V. Okay, King V. This is mine, and I can select myself. Okay, next. And this user is in Active Directory as well. Now the entitlement right. Yeah, right, was that default. We have to follow one more step. To make it, requestable. It's already requestable actually. Yeah, but we need to follow whenever we are going to create any entitlement or onboard any entitlement, groups permissions. But this do you remember? But this Rama. Sorry, we have done it as part of the role creation and ended up with a new one. Yes. We have to execute one more task called full text refresh index. Oh, got you. So the task, so that it gets available. Right. So this the task? What was the task name, please? Full text, refresh index. I'm happy, Vinay, at least you have put this much effort. I'm giving so much of time. Because I haven't seen it. So far I haven't done that in my local system. Are you working on any project? Yeah, I'm working on many other things actually. I'm working a lot of things on Azure Labs. I hope you're not working for MNC. If you're working for MNC, you won't get this much time. Go to Task Results. Okay, Task Results. Yeah, it's been executed. And do you want to check this, or should I go back and go to Access? Okay. So in that scenario, if out-of-the-box workflow, if it's not reflecting, or if it ends with any error, then try to refer. Compass page. I think you'll be able to ready to use workflows for Active Directory provisioning. Okay. And let's take a license, which is default contractor. Okay, let's take this one. Alright, let's go next. And before that, let me see an AD. Do we really have this user added or not? And if I go here, and if I check here this default contractor license members, is JSON? Is there? BG target is there? So Vinay is not there. So in that scenario, yeah, first it will create the user, and after that it will add the group. User is already there. Then it's good. User is there, I'll show you. This user is there, King V. So these are the things you are going to define. Yeah, I understand. User is there. That's why I've agreed this user from the directory. Okay. Okay, so it's here. Okay, now submit. And this is SP-admin, so it will be auto-submitted. It will not go to anyone for approval. And we have not defined any approval process for this. That's the one we haven't defined. So if you have defined already, it will go for the approval. Do you know why it's taking this much time whenever you are going to submit any access request? There will be some kind of workflow that follows here. Exactly. So it will check all the workflows. So that is the reason LCM provisioning is not recommended to customize. LCM, provisioning workflow. You should not make more customization into that. Okay, what is the chain? Okay, so this is the chain, so yeah. Okay, request number 1. So my request 1, very good. So go to my work. Access request. My work. Okay. Access request. Okay, from here you can check. It's in the provisioning state. Can you click on the details? Oh! Choose this and go to Details. Where is Details? Okay, here. So here everything will be there. Requested item, filter items. Iterator provisioning. Everything will be there. Finish committed. Why it's been committed? Because you have IQ services in your system already. You have defined everything. That is the reason. Come down. Okay, provisioning engine. It's committed. If you want, you can go to Active Directory and you can check now. You can open by groups. I can directly check the group and it should be. Okay, so that's what actually I wanted to verify. So I verified this thing. So I'm in the default, but there could be some directories, some entitlements. Maybe we'll have to write down some code for. It's not like that. In Sailpoint, you can onboard a number of applications, and you can use the out-of-the-box workflow. Out-of-the-box rules everything. No need to customize anything. People will say, client will say, application team will say we have to customize because we don't want to follow the normal process. In that scenario, you need to pitch it as a developer, and you need to write some custom code. In that scenario also what I'll do, I'll try to mirror, I'll replicate some any other workflow, and I'll try to populate this one. Does it make sense, Vinay? Yeah, that's a good example. Actually, this is what we had a conflict on. I wanted to see from your side. But I set it up. I won't create any custom rule or workflow or anything. No, I'm not saying create any custom rule. I mean, this is, for example, what we did is the most basic thing with Active Directory or maybe any application. We didn't do this. So I'll try my end of this. Frankly, I'm saying when a client is going for any customization, I won't prefer to do that unless there is a requirement. Because if each and every application team is feeling we need to create some custom provisioning, and if you have for everything, client is ready to agree, then it will create a mess. It will take time for other end user also. So I won't prefer that. We have 2 minutes. So can I ask you a few more things like exactly related to this, because we are on the same track? Definitely, bro, I'm happy.